Show all components for setup. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the holder. Install the filter. Connect the hydrodermabrasion handle. Connect the black tube to the recycle port and the clear tube to the solution port. Push both tubes firmly into place. A white rubber ring is inside the hydrodermabrasion handle. Replace it if damaged. Select the appropriate hard tip and install it on the handle. To install the white soft silicone head, remove the transparent rubber ring from the hydrodermabrasion handle before installation. When using the sealing head, a transparent rubber ring needs to be installed on the handle. Place the hydrodermabrasion handle in the holder. Connect the spray hose. First, unscrew the connector nut on the back of the main unit. Feed one end of the hose through the nut. Connect the hose to the spray port and tighten the nut securely. Attach the other end of the hose to the spray handle. Place the spray on the stand. Connect the microdermabrasion hose. First, unscrew the connector nut on the back of the main unit. Feed one end of the hose through the nut. Connect the hose to the suction port and tighten the nut securely. Attach the other end of the hose to the microdermabrasion handle. A black rubber ring is inside the microdermabrasion handle. Replace it if damaged. Place filter cotton inside the microcrystalline abrasion head. Install the microcrystalline head onto the drilling microcrystalline rod. The glass tube and the microdermabrasion tube share the same tubing. When installing the glass tube, first remove the microdermabrasion tube from the flexible tubing, then select the appropriate glass tube for installation. Place the assembled microdermabrasion handle and other replacement handles in the holder. The fresh and waste bottles have 4 small black sealing rings on the slots. If they break, you can replace them with spare rings. First, unscrew the cap of the fresh bottle and pour in gentle exfoliating solution or purified water. Then tighten the cap and install it on the fresh bottle's mounting opening. Attach the waste bottle to the main unit. Empty it promptly if full, as the hydro handle will not function properly otherwise. Connect the power cord. Click the power button for the spray and microdermabrasion. This is the first button on the front of the instrument. There are 3 rotary knobs on the side of the instrument. The first rotary knob at the top can adjust the suction power of the microdermabrasion. Rotate it to the max, place the handle on your hand to test the suction, and adjust it based on individual tolerance. Spray handle. Remove the cap from the mini flask on the spray handle, pour in the serum and saline solution mixture at a 1:10 ratio, and secure the cap. Rotate the knob at the handle's tail to adjust the mist level, then pull the trigger in the center to begin spraying. Press the button that controls the spray and microdermabrasion handles to turn them off. Click the power button on hydro. This is the second button on the front of the instrument. There are 3 rotary knobs on the side of the instrument. The middle knob adjusts the hydro water flow rate, turning it to the right increases the flow rate, and turning it to the left decreases the flow rate. The bottom rotary knob is the hydro suction knob, rotating it to the right increases suction, and rotating it to the left decreases suction. Rotate the knob towards the max direction, then test the hydro on your hand. Adjust the setting as needed based on your personal tolerance. Click the button to close hydro. Remove the power cord,